So we wanted to show people how to install the ANC harness that we have. It's not hard. I tell everybody you're going to spend more time sliding the seat forward. So what we have here is a 2021 limited Ram 1500 with Harman Kardon system. The amplifier is under the driver's seat, so we're going to sit here, slide this forward. All right. So here's our factory amplifier, and you can see all the wiring connections are on the one side, and the plugs are different colors. So we have a white one, a gray one, and then a small gray one. This only fits one way on one harness. You have to be smarter than the plug. And that's it. And then you can tuck that out of the way as much as you feel like that you can. And that's it. That is how you install the ANC bypass. There's nothing complicated to it. If you have a 2500, 3500 truck, it's under the dash. You don't even have to take anything apart. Next time we get one in, we'll do a quick little video for you. Thanks, guys.